Are you tired of using old and outdated graphics that are plain ugly? Are you sick of losing your arm and leg on ridiculously priced graphic designers? Are you struggling to find the right graphic designer through a typical trial and error? Don't you hate it, waiting for weeks or even months in pure agony for your graphics guy to deliver your work? Isn't it irritating? What's the solution? Use Power Graphic Templates. With graphic templates, you'll be able to create jaw-dropping graphics in literally seconds with no Photoshop, no skills, just copy and paste. Imagine swiping my cherry-picked collection of conversation-boosting, ready-to-go graphic templates that will transform you into a superstar in your market. I'm extremely proud to unveil to you my secretly guarded Ultimate VIP Graphics Collection worth thousands of dollars. After over 5-year graphic design and internet marketing experience, I handpicked one of the most astonishing templates I created recently into one huge, mind-blowing package. Presenting Here's what you'll get inside. Authority-building Facebook cover templates, amazing YouTube cover templates, Google Plus cover templates, list-building mobile squeeze pages, professional response mini-site template, fabulous e-cover templates in dark and vivid exclusive bundles, fantastic vector stamps, high CTR banner templates, attention-grabbing graphical headlines, viral traffic generating viral quote graphics, mind-blowing vector backgrounds for your blog, video, or e-cover, credibility-building headers, value-building feature boxes, a complete WSO design for maximum conversations, flyer templates to amaze your offline clients, stunning business cards, crystal clear pricing tables, professional royalty-free photos, mascot characters perfect for videos, cherry-picked handwritten fonts that are instant attention grabbers, text layer styles to make your headlines stand out, 2 animated video templates that you can edit directly into PowerPoint,